Everyone, hey, it's TP White here, and today in this video, I'm going to compare with fabulously optimization between a Optimobile Fabric. I continue this modpack. I would like to say about this modpack and about the fabulously optimization. So the fabulously optimization focus on heavy performance. It means if you are playing on a Mojo Launcher or any launcher, this will give you 100 and this can give you 300 plus FPS, around 500 plus FPS average, 400 plus FPS. Yes, but the cause is actually causes a heat, a battery drain, a bit faster as compared to lightweight performance. So what's the difference when to use this modpack? So after fabulously optimization, if you are using like in servers heavy like high pixel servers, not SMP servers, so you can definitely go with the fabulously optimization. If you are using light, if you're using for a decent performance, like you're using a multiplayer world like with your friends, or you can using a singular world, so you can use the Optimobile Fabric, which is lightweight and does not cause any more heating issues or battery drain faster, because this own mods only contains minimum 10 mods, and this fabulously optimization contains about 46 mods, so that's why it's a lightweight performance mode. And let's try this modpack Optimobile Fabric. You have to install this. So I already installed this Optimobile Fabric. We have to do some settings done, like Java runtime you have to change into internal 21. You have to select the LTW renderer because this runs sodium. If you're using holy GL4ES, it will definitely clash because they are both different. So use LTW renderer made by ArtDev to run the sodium, yeah, and other performance mode. So you have to choose this also here, LTW renderer. If you already choose in profile, so don't need to change again and again in your video renderer settings. In the video settings, if you can ignore notch and this about two settings, keep it off because this will push your GPU and CPU out of your boundary scenarios, means it's cause more lag. Yeah, this case more, it causes more heat and battery drain. That's why keep it off. So before that, before using this modpack, I enable battery saver to see it works on battery saver mode, if it gives a most FPS or not, decent FPS or not. So it will try before I do for control or customization. If you want to control any other things, you can then go to Java Tweaks. Here it is, and select runtime intern 21. This is main setting, intern 21 and JWL. In the description I will provide a JW launch argument what it does, because this also boosts your FPS, like it not cause your performance, it's remove your CAC files and etc. There are two types: simple JWM launch arguments and heavy JWM launch arguments. Example, if you are running the RLCraft, so you have to use a bunch of JWM argument commands. And if you are using like optimization, like if you are using simple modpacks, so you can use a small core of JW arguments. If higher the JW argument equals to more battery drain and heat. So that's why sometimes I just disable it. If you want it, I link in description. Simple and heavy modpacks for it. So memory applications, it is the main setting. If you do it 100% high, it will crash. So that's why memory allocations should be between 800 to 900 if you are using simple modpack. Example, if you're aircraft, so you should do like this. So do it between 888. I do it 888 or 896 is fine. It should be between 800 to between 900. The developer recommend to use this. What about the experimental stuff? So if you want to enable this, enable, because this can be forced renderer to run like on sodium etc, but I usually disable it because my sodium runs very slow and smooth, so that's why I just disable it. About the miscellaneous settings, here don't do anything about this, just don't also verify game files and etc. So next time we have to click on play button. As you can see, let's go to log output. You can see here what is going on background gaming, so you can see why it crash or not. So see this, just ignore this warning sign. There's no related to your games. If your game is working smooth and without any crash, so you should don't know much English, American accent. I don't usually speak American accent English, so please don't skip my video. I'm trying to improve my English language. So yeah, there are about 7 mods. What are the mods? Oh my god, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 mods. So they don't have a bunch of mods. They're having a fellow modes, if they're in a fabulously optimized, I added some optimizations mode like 5 and 6 modes optimization more modes. So it totals gives me 48 modes in fabulously optimization. But yeah, heavy optimization equals to more battery drainage and heatings. So that's why I'm using so that's why I only barely use optimization, that fabulous optimization. So in this client, I mean in this modpack, this use only 12 modes, simple FPS mode that don't usually lightweight optimize performance, that don't hit lag, I mean yes, and gives you it because it's lightweight, they don't give a hit much as compared to a fabulous optimization. So go to video settings, copy this setting like render distance 5 chunks, simulate 5 chunks. If you know about this all, then good. I am telling what to on. Amount face skin on, frame is unlimited, and if you want it is on, then on. Then quality settings is the main settings. Improve transparency, and you have to keep on, keep it off, and allow cloud distance, keep it off. I mean you don't need to do it because you already off it. So weather radius, let's keep it like 4. Alright, and see. So if you enable it, this might eat your performance. So that's why don't enable it. Disable it will increase your performance, as you can see here. So your particles, I do decrease, or you can do minimal, and smooth lighting off. If you want to keep it on, then you can. This generally don't affects your frame rates, so I will keep it on. And about biome blend, if you can enable or 5:5, I recommend. If you want biome blend, so 3:3 is recommendable, or none. I do it none. I don't want any lag, any distance. So it is a 4K recording I'm recording. And what about this entry distance? Alright, it's default by default. Entry status off, show weakening on or off, it's upon your opinion. And just do it none, and it's 4x. Then go to performance. You don't go have any in this. It is by default, so let it be. You can use this. It recommends that you should not change the settings. It's a default setting, so keep it off. I mean keep it default. The shader packs, they already provide all supported shader if you want to run, so we don't use now shaders. So yes, also I recommend to watch my previous 2 videos about the fabulously optimized. And yeah, in the previous video, the fabulously optimized gives me only 200 plus FPS, but in this today's launcher now they provide 500 plus FPS. Yeah, is very important in this launcher. You can see this snow culling, just give it on. Item frame, just you can see this leaves culling. Just do it fast. Yes, if you can do it fast. And in the story extra animation, you should turn off, particles off. I just turned it off accidentally. Details all off, and render settings according to your our global fog. And what is global fog? A global fog, that's you can see this global fog settings. You want to enable. I guess you should disable it if you want a greater distance. So I keep it off. Yes, it sometimes impact your performance, so don't worry, you can enable disable according to your experience of game experience. Light updates, yeah, keep it on because sometimes disabling may cause incorrect lighting. That's why you should keep it light updates on. And extra settings, that show FPS. Yes, I'm to show FPS and apply this all game packs. Alright, I just applied already. That's why in this resource pack, fidelity optimization provides you all the resource packs that can FPS and performance. So yeah, you can change settings here. FOV distortion effects off, FOV effects off, these cause effects. I mean, yeah, I should keep it off for my gaming experience, and demonstrate it off. Yeah, about my experience, you want to choose whatever you want to choose. And I just keep it about music. Alright, that's run the creative world. After creating world, just go back and recreate it. I'm sorry, you just edit, optimize this world again. Yeah, before creating this world, optimize this. Alright, I will just optimize this world because this creator for CAC files removed. So let's try this. I mean, see how much FPS it gives in a previous. Like I tested this modpack and I tried a bunch of TNTs with I blasted, and this caused no crash. Yeah, this no crash happens in my launcher. As you can see, while this world is loading, that's why the FPS low. Let's see stable FPS. Just one thing I noticed that in fabulous optimization, the FPS stable is not. I mean, there's unstabilized FPS. Sometimes it gives you 500 plus, sometimes it gives you 300, 400 like that, but below don't. So these modpacks give you constant FPS like 173 between 200. While in the 4K recording, I am having like 4 like 200, around 200 FPS. I'm not using replay mode, I'm using my mobile recorder, default recorder, that's why. And you can see if I off this video, so it's giving me around 300 plus FPS. I'm guaranteeing you this modpack, light modpack is best. And one thing I noticed that this cause no heat much. I mean this not causing me hitting any battery drain. You can see this 67. I mean yes, oh my god, it's a good number. So you can see this. I really appreciate this modpack because this give no much heat. Yeah, this give no heat much, and that's why I can play really without any heating issues. This don't give me heat because this is a lightweight performance modpack. And about resolution, I recommend to use resolution on around 70%. Yes, it's great for GUI scale, also for performance. That's why it's recommendable to use 70% of resolution. And now let's set TNT test. Let's see how it crashed or not while recording. Let's see here. I'm just doing a command and let's see. You can I put this command and yes, oh my gosh, there are 13824 blocks of TNT. Now I will try this. I will light up this. Oh my god, see this, just lighting up. Let's see, this caused crash. Generally I am going middle, so the blast will more. Here you can see this. Oh my goodness, damn. Oh my god, see this. I don't have any lags issue. Oh my god, I don't have any crash issue, man. You can see this. Damn, it's powerful. Minecraft now improves for better TNTs blast. You can see this. This don't. Oh my god, you can see this. This don't give me any crash issue. Oh my god. Now I try a bunch of TNTs here. Yeah, I'm sorry, bunch of anti-rays here. Let's see. You can see this. Oh my god, I have put a bunch of anti-ray of chickens. You can see this. Oh my gosh. You can see this. Some are dying because they're full. I can see this. My FPS 143, 157 while recording. Oh my gosh. While recording up, it generally gives me 200 plus FPS, like around 230 FPS. You can see this. I release the chickens. Oh my god, there are bunch of anti-rays here. Because we have anti-ray culling, that's why. So because this is lightweight modpack, I mean this is generally gives you best performance, decent performance, and no heat, no battery drain, is fast. And I appreciate this modpack. What happened in ParallelRefProcEnabled because it's use heavy modpacks. There are a bunch of mods of performance. That's why it's cause more heat and battery drain. But this don't usually. So I appreciate this modpack, and this modpack made by a DNA Mobile Gaming. This is the best modpack for this. And also this modpack is under developing. I guess in my future, the more of a creator of owner of this modpack will add more mods in this modpack. So yeah, keep it on while watching. So what's the final recommendation for the modpack? I mean, it's better than Fabulous optimization. So generally, see, if you're using, it depends upon what you're playing. If you're on the part, it varies upon what you're playing. So if you're aiming for a lightweight performance, if you are if you have Exynos 2200, like these processors, Exynos processors, so you should use this modpack. If you are having a nice, Red Magic type phones, S24 Ultra, and you are playing like donor SMP, like other SMPs, high pixel SMPs, so I recommend to use this Fabulous optimization. So both are generally good, but pros is these modpacks don't usually hit much and battery drainage, and I experience of myself while I'm recording, they don't even slutter. Yeah, they don't even slutter. There's a different slutter mode you can enable it if you're having a slutter issue. Also, if you're having regarding any sodium issue, so link in description, there are some JW agreements I provided so you can check it out. So yes, this modpack is great to use for your daily basis task. If you're playing singular world, so use this modpack. This give you decent performance. So yeah. And you can see I just enable a shader. Yes, this is a makeup shader, light shader. I just enable it. If you are wondering, he having a best phone, so let me tell you, I having S23 FE 5G. Generally these have provides Exynos, so this gives most heat. And you can see just now he's not giving me heat, and the shade is light because you can see this glowness around this. Oh my god. Yes, the shade is also cool looking. Oh my gosh, you can see this costs 0, I'm seriously without recording, it's give around more 100 plus FPS. And you can see this. Oh my god, you can see there's some water lag. Oh my god, what is that? I guess there's some capability issue. Oh my god, I don't know about this, but yeah. You can try a BNS status in other shaders. Oh my god, this shade is cool for decent. Oh, nice shader. Oh my god, you can see I gather with entities. You can see is generally cost 60 while recording in 4K. This is a best modpack. Also, I will try in the fabulous optimization later this video, and I guess I should upload about the fabulous optimization and review on this, and I will again compare with this about this up. And you can see I go with K, I go in K, and this is a cool. You can see this glowingness and others. So yeah, you should try the optimization modpack. Yes, you can try this for your general FPS and others. So bye guys, enjoy this modpack and just credit DNA Mobile Gaming and support this.